Sales managers, sales coaches, sales professionals, I have a message for you that you want to pay attention to. We just finished doing our annual conference in Las Vegas. Over 9,000 entrepreneurs showed up. People doing as much as $2 billion a year in sales, and some people just getting started doing a couple $1 million in sales. A number of you asked us to bring back our boot camp. We do a 3-day boot camp we did last year that was extremely successful, and we're gonna spend 3 days with you and your team laying out your sales process, scripts, prompts, rebuttals, whether it's e-commerce, door-to-door, over the phone, whether it's incoming or outbound, whether you sell a tangible or intangible. We're gonna spend 3 days. I'm personally gonna be there for 3 full days to spend with you to map out your sales process, to simplify that sales process, to be more adaptive to the times. If you're interested in this, click the link below. The results of this boot camp in the past has been unbelievable for companies. People doing 12 and 15x as a result of being with me for 3 days. So look forward to seeing you in Miami. First 100 people get a bonus of me taking care of your hotel room. We're gonna do it at the Diplomat Hotel. Look forward to seeing you in April at the Sales Boot Camp. I will personally attend the entire 3 days. Any questions you have, problems you have, situations, whether it's hiring people, whether it's staffing, whether it's staffing events, closing deals, follow-up, rebuttals, scripts, prompts, cold calls, warm calls, tangibles, intangibles, you name it, you give me your situation, and we're gonna sit in this boot camp for 3 days, and we're gonna lay out exactly what you have to do to 10 and 12x your business. See you in April.